to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hey guys, so I'm having my rice and peas with some curried goat, some green beans and carrots, and some fresh, all natural beet. So let's dig in, guys. Okay guys, the peas is cooked, so I'm gonna add in some flavorings. I'm gonna add in some Grace coconut milk, the powdered one I'm using today. And I'm using 2 cups. There's a lot of rice. Also using some coconut cream. And I'm adding in the scallion, pepper, and some onion, thyme, scallion, and pepper. I already added salt, so I'm gonna bring that to a boil and then just let it boil for a few minutes and then add in the rice. I'll keep watching, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna wash the rice. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in some butter. I'm gonna add in the rice. And this is the basmati rice. Okay guys, I'm gonna cover it and let it cook, and then after a while I'm gonna cover it with some foil paper for it to steam. Now let's check on this rice. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay guys, so the rice is done. Hi guys, so this tastes so good. The rice tastes so good, guys. With the curry goat. The rice tastes so good. I know some people like curry goat with white rice, but I eat curry goat with anything. Lovely Sunday dinner. Thank you guys for watching. This tastes so good. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video, guys.
Now to present the Georgia's House of Emblematic of the
Afro bitch, bitch. Afro beat the bitch.